الحاقة
The sure reality.
ما الحاقة
What is the sure reality?
وما أدراك ما الحاقة
And what will make you realize what the sure reality is?
كذبت ثمود وعاد بالقارعة
The Thamud and the Ad people branded as false the stunning calamity.
فأما ثمود فأهلكوا بالطاغية
But the Thamud, they were destroyed by a terrible storm of thunder and lightning.
وأما عاد فأهلكوا بريح صرصر عاتية
And the Ad, they were destroyed by a furious wind exceedingly violent.
سخرها عليهم 7 ليال و8 أيام حسوما فترى القوم فيها صرعى كأنهم أعجاز نخل خاوية
He made it rage against them 7 nights and 8 days in succession, so that you could see the whole people lying prostrate in its path, as if they had been roots of hollow palm trees tumbled down.
فهل ترى لهم من باقية
Then see you any of them left surviving.
وجاء فرعون ومن قبله والمؤتفكات بالخاطئة
And Pharaoh, and those before him, and the cities overthrown, committed habitual sin.
فعصوا رسول ربهم فأخذهم أخذة رابية
And disobeyed each the messenger of their Lord. So he punished them with an abundant penalty.
إنا لما طغى الماء حملناكم في الجارية
We, when the water of Noah's flood overflowed beyond its limits, carried you mankind in the floating ark.
لنجعلها لكم تذكرة وتعيها أذن واعية
That we might make it a message unto you, and that ears that should hear the tale and retain its memory should bear its lessons in remembrance.